Did you know that most amazing graphic designers that try to do merch by Amazon end up failing or making little to no profit? I used to do graphic design before I began my print-on-demand journey. There are so many things that have been incredibly helpful to know and to be able to use, but there's so many things that I've actually had to just throw out the window and forget about when trying to be successful on Merch by Amazon. I had some amazing designs in my Merch by Amazon store, but I still struggled to make sales before I started implementing these things that graphic designers don't always follow. Do you have amazing designs that are just not selling either? Stick around for these tips where I'll help you create a design that actually is going to sell. I'm Hannah, passionate about helping you create passive income, build wealth, and scale your print-on-demand business. If that is something that is interesting to you, consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more amazing tips and weekly videos to help you build your own print-on-demand business. One of the most important things in print-on-demand that graphic designers don't always realize is the power of your time. Back when I did graphic design, it would not be uncommon for me to spend literal hours making adjustments and changing a product until it was absolutely perfect. In print-on-demand, quantity is your best friend. I've been doing this business for over 2 years. And even though I have some amazing designs on my store and thousands of products, I find that only about 10% of all my designs ever sell. And that seems to be about normal across all print-on-demand platforms. I am not saying you do not need to create great designs for your customers. I'm only saying that it's more beneficial to make 10 good products than it is to maybe make one perfect product in that same amount of time. I would rather spend 2 hours creating 10 really fun, really cool designs about fishing that I can then upload to Amazon than maybe spending that same 2 hours creating one incredible fishing design that I can then upload to Merch by Amazon. The next thing graphic designers and you will need to realize in order to sell more designs is great is always better than perfect. A lot of times graphic designers have a really hard time putting their name on something that they do not personally love. If you have that same attitude going into print on demand, you will have a really hard time breaking into almost any niches. I can't tell you how many of my best selling designs I would not be caught dead in the street wearing, either because I don't agree with them or just because the design isn't something that I even like. In print on demand, you have to realize you are designing for a hyper-specific customer who likes a particular thing that you yourself might not like at all. It's totally okay to design things for a particular customer that is not anything like yourself. That is how you are going to really scale this business and make sales in so many different niches. If you're a graphic designer, you are going to need to let go of this next thing. Tools that make things easier are not the enemy. Designers don't always love to use tools that make things simple, fast, and easy, but that is something you're going to have to get so comfortable with in print on demand. Tools like Canva and Placeit and All Sunsets have so many pre-made graphics and tools for you to be able to use to just change a little bit and be able to upload a great product. They have already done half the work for you by creating these well-made graphics that you can use in your really well-researched niche. Just be careful you are still always doing trademark checks on your products, because I have seen some graphics and designs on both Canva and Placeit using trademarked phrases. I like to use the trademark electronic search system online to check everything before I post it on Merch by Amazon. I'll make sure to link that resource for you guys below if you're not familiar with it. If you have never used Canva or Placeit before, I want you to go make an account today. They have amazing free and paid options. I love the paid options just because there are so many more tools that have really been able to help me scale my business, and the money that I put into them has multiplied by so much now that I'm able to use those tools. But if you don't even have a free version, just go ahead and sign up and you will be able to take advantage of so many of their features. I'll put my links below for both Canva, Placeit, and All Sunsets, and it would really help me out if you would end up using those links. After I let go of some of these things that were holding me back in my design process, I was really able to streamline things and get so many more products out faster that then increased my profits. Maybe you feel like you really do have this design process nailed down now, but you're still still not seeing the massive growth that you're after in your print-on-demand business. Sometimes that still comes back to the niches that you're targeting. In my next video, I'm sharing the secrets that I use to find those money-making niches time and time again. Click on the link here to watch that video now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!